Hey guys, welcome back to yet an awesome video in our channel. So you may be wondering why I'm sitting in a new setup, right? So there is a reason. Today is gonna be a review video where we have a review unit and that product is Adcom. So here we have Adcom 7.1 surround headphones. This video is going to be a detailed review of this product from Adcom. So yes guys, if you're new here, I'm Carrier from India. We talk photography, filmmaking, editing and many other social media stuffs that help creators like us. So why do you do this video? Yes guys, headphones, we as an editor, we need headphones, right? Good headphones for sound designing and all. So and they have sent us a review unit. Why not make a review video of it? Let's do that. So if you're new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon to get regularly notified whenever I make a video. Yes guys, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Welcome back guys. So let's now unbox this package from Adcom. So you can buy this product from Amazon and also from their official website, that is adcom.in. I hope. Let me put the description in the link. Oops. Let me put the link in the description to check out. First, let's see what's given on the box. It's mentioned as we can use it for gaming and pure music. It has 50mm driver, hence the bass is clear. We also have anti-winding braided wire and that cool orange LED light. And here it's also given us unique and arrogant shape, elegant steel style headband with high level design. On the back we have the technical specifications. Some of the main things are the frequency range, which is 20 to 20 kHz, which is quite the correct range for humans. The speaker sensitivity is around 110 decibels, so you'll have that loud sound. And below you have the driver size, which is 50mm, which helps to achieve that 1.1 surround sound quality. And also the other things like the orange LED and also the compatible devices, which is USB power devices, is also mentioned. So let's now open the box. This is the box. So here we have the headphones bubble wrapped, and let it wait for a second. Let's see what else are inside. So that's a thank you card from Adcom, and you also have a 10% off coupon kind of thing. So next is warranty registration required. You just need to register to get the warranty for the headphones, and you have some stickers from Adcom, and at the last you also have some user manual. So let's keep all of this aside. So it just explains all the parts of the headphones. So let's now see the headphones, which is beautifully bubble wrapped, and yes, here we have the headphones. How's it guys? Maybe you can just have a look of the B-roll of this one. I hope you liked that B-roll. It was entirely shot on my smartphone. If you want to see the bits, do check out this video. And yes guys, let's see the physical overview of the headphones. This is an over-ear headphones. You don't have your ears visible, like it's fully covered. And at the top you have this adjustable leather material that will be just helpful for you to just align with your head. So you have the elastic at both the ends so that it comforts your head. And you have this grill kind of design on the headphones. That's really nice. And you have a cute little microphone. Its quality is really nice. Let's just test it in some time. And so this is not an RGB headset. You have only one color. I'll just show you the color. Maybe you would have already seen in the B-roll, but anyway, so yes guys, we have the orange color on the headphones, both the sides, and the ear cuff is really nice. It's very soft, more comforting, and you have their logo at both the ends. If you see here, we have a remote. It's quite big in size, maybe to just bring that gaming effect of design. So here you have 4 buttons. One is to switch on and off the LED light, the orange LED. The other one is to mute and unmute the microphone. and you have 2 more buttons to adjust the system volume. Apart from that, you can also adjust the volume of the headphones separately with the help of a scroller that's available here. You can just adjust the volume of the headphones separately. And yeah, this is a USB headphone, so that you cannot connect one second guys. So yeah, this is a USB headphone. You cannot connect to your mobile directly. Maybe you can use an OTG cable to just connect your headphones and you can really use it well. And last but not the least, we have a 7 feet long cable. It's really looks nice. You have those glitters kind of thing in the cable. You feel more comfortable as it's quite lengthy. You can just sit around, move around and play while you play your games and all. And also it will be very helpful while editing as well. So that's all about the physical overview of this headphone. So if you want to give a mark for the build quality, I would give 4 out of 5 because you don't have an RGB LED here. So it's only one single color and you don't even have that breathing effect too. So that is the only con that I would say, and hence 4 out of 5 for the build quality. Now let's move to the second point, which is comfort. So how comfort is it to wear these headphones? As I said earlier, this is an over-ear headphones and you have this ultra cushion. It's so soft guys, and it's giving good comfort. And even for the head, I don't feel any weight. It's only 380 grams and doesn't look heavy or something. It's quite comfort. I don't have any heavy feel while wearing it on the head. And the headphones is quite flexible, easy to wear. So the only problem here is, I hope if you wear any specs, it would be quite abstracting, right? If you are wearing specs, I hope that would be a small problem here. And the next main thing is, if you wear it continuously for 1 or 2 hours in a non-AC room, then you're gonna get that sweat on your ears. If I switch off the AC and continuously use the headphones for around 2 hours, I'm literally having sweat on my ears. So that's the biggest drawback of using over-ear headphones, right? It's quite normal for over-ear headphones. So anyway, that's a drawback too. So yes guys, for the comfort, I would also give 4 out of 5. Moving on to the sound quality, the bass is literally awesome guys. So this is a 7.1 surround headphones. So 7.1 is like the ones you get with speakers, right? 5.1, 2.1. It's like when a person is walking at quite a long distance, you'd hear like he's actually walking in a long distance. Like the effect when you see a movie on theater, right? That effect is really nice. So the sound quality is pretty good. You have a ultra clear bass guys. Bass is literally awesome in this headphones. And I have been playing PUBG and in my mobile by connecting with an OTG. I was able to just sense the enemies when they are nearby. And even while editing one of my videos, I was able to perfectly just mix that sound design, the background sounds mixing, right? The sound effects mixing and all. I was able to do that pretty good because you have a clear effect of sound. The noise cancellation is literally nice. I could not hear anything around me when I'm just wearing that headphones, and you don't hear the sounds outside the headphone. That's also a good point to be noted. So on the sound part, this budget friendly Adcom headset is really rocking guys. You must just try out one. So I would give 4.5 out of 5 for the sound, just including the bass, treble and everything, and even noise cancellation. So everything is working pretty good. So for sound, 4.5. Moving on to the next main thing, which is the mic. The mic here is flexible. You can just move it in and around, and you have that cute LED at the tip of the mic. So according to its performance, this is literally awesome guys. If you are a live streamer and all, and if you want a budget friendly headphones for your live streaming or gaming, live gaming, or even if you want to just go live on your YouTube and all, this headphones is really gonna rock. Here I have just switched off the fan, and this volume you are hearing now is from this headphones. And yeah, you have that wind noise, right? You are going to have for any mic because the fan is running. And this is the sound when I add denoise effect from Premiere Pro on this audio. How is it? So even if the fan is running, the audio seems better, right? So that is that quality of this microphone, of this headphone from Adcom. So for microphone, I'm literally gonna give 5 out of 5 for this headphones. So if you want a good headphone on the budget with better microphone, then this is the option. So talking about the budget, this Adcom headphones comes in less than 2000 rupees in Amazon and also their official website. You can just check the link in the description to buy this right now. So yes, best budget headphones that I would suggest. So yes guys, the average score for this Adcom Vision 7.1 headphones is 4.4 out of 5. So yes guys, that's it for this video. We have come to the end of the video. We have seen all the physical overview, sound quality, build quality, and all about this Adcom Vision 7.1 gaming headphones. So on the gaming part, I am not a big gamer, so I could not suggest more on that because I just play GTA here. So when I play GTA, I have good quality sound, and also when I play PUBG Mobile with the OTG cable connected to it, I was able to achieve that good noise cancellation. I was able to detect the enemies very good. So that was pretty good guys, you must try out. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, do hit that like button and let me know in comments what more videos you want from me. And Adcom, thank you for sending this product. And just guys, we have come to the end of today's video. That's it for this video guys. We'll meet in another video. Until then, it's your Cario signing off.